Hey guys, welcome back. It's Andrew the YouTube video. Today we are playing some Subway Surfers and we just claimed some hoverboards. This is part 2 and I'm so excited to play this. Let's get back. Our high score was like maybe 20,000 or something, I think. It might have been something like that. But anyway, we're going to keep on going. So like our multiplier is times 3 because that's how we left off. And, oh, we could have just got double multiplier there. Hey, it's fine, because we can actually get onto these now. With our jumps. Almost ran out. Just there. So, hopefully you guys had liked the other episode. And we didn't really do much, we just kind of just played around. And, yeah! Okay. Is it the same word? Is it slime again? Oh, it's not. It's Sakura. I don't know how to say that. I think it's something like Sakura there. And last time was slime. Oh, I really like this game. And if you guys want to see more videos of Subway Surfers, comment down below. And yeah. Yeah, Sakura, I think. Oh no! Oh! I'm using one of my keys. Keys are good. Key good. No, I could have used one of like those blue things for like the multiplier. I think that's what they are for. Anyway, we're trying the K's here now. So there's a lot. Sakura, we're already halfway. Oh my god. That was so crazy. Ooh. Ah, oh no. Oh. Oh god. It's that way. Okay. Oh no. Ooh, we got through that one. Okay. We're already at 10,000. We got a new spray. Yeah. We're getting so much coins here. That was a lot of coins. So we're going to keep on going. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god, that was so crazy. Bam. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. 2 multiplier, I'll take that. So now we just hit 15,000. And let's keep on going. Okay, come on. No! 2 keys. I'm spending 2 keys. I spent 2 keys and this is what I get. Ah! Okay, guys, we are back. And I didn't spend any. I think I accidentally said watch out. Anyway, let me do our multiplier up to times 8 now. Yeah, we just hit 20,000. Oh my god, we have so much magnets. Oh my god. And this is that. Let me get this power up. This is cool. Top run what? Ah! Oh my god, we are gonna get the R there. We're just about to get the R there. Oh my god. Got this. We just hit 30,000. Woo! That was pretty good. This is pretty good. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Keep on going. Come on. No, we're just about to get full. I spent 2 coins. Double. Yeah. Are you serious? No, that was unfair. I just get back and that. See you guys in 1 minute. Okay, we're back. Okay, ultimate. Oh my god. Okay, so we are back. Oh my god. I wasted all of my multiplier thing. Anyway, we just are about to get... We just hit 50,000. That's pretty good. So if I die one more time, I'm going to finish this one and do another one. So cool, we done the word and we done. That was pretty good though. 50,000. 54,000. That was pretty good there. Anyway, we got a key. Let's go. That's 15. There's 2 rewards that I haven't claimed. Claim this weird thing. And yeah. I think there's more. Okay, it gets tricky. Okay. Where is more? How do I shop? Let's get the shop. How do I get boosts? Here we go. Well, I'm actually know something. So if we go to, how do you get multipliers? Is it in shops and boosts? Use up to 3 to increase. At first, where do you like? I'm probably being dumb. Is it in missions? No. Every complete 2 missions though. It's an achievement. Collect the reward. See what we get. 3 keys. Collect a reward. Please be 3 keys. 3 keys. Collect reward. Those are 3 keys. We have 12 keys now. Yeah, that was pretty good. Let's see what's here. Oh, 1,000 coins? I just spent 5 keys on that. That was dumb. Catch up. No. Now. I think that should be good. Let's go. Okay, so that's gonna be times 8 now. So that's gonna be good. So we have lots of keys also, which is OP. It's OP. Okay, let's get this. That should get us to a multiplier. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so we're going kind of crazy. We're top 16 right now. Oh, no, we're on 8 now. We slow down. Anyway. Woo! Woo! Okay, so we're getting kind of through the levels right now. Let's go. Woo! Ah! Ooh, let's go. Getting actually a lot of coins here. Woo! Yeah! Almost 20,000 score. And we hit it. Okay. 2 times the multiplier. Don't mind if I do. I'm getting a key. I don't care. No! I'm spending another key. Oh my god! I'm so fast. Oh, shit! Just a multiplier. 16 times. Again. Oh my god! No! I got so scared. Okay, four doesn't much. I'm spending so much. Mm. What am I supposed to do? I'm watching an ad. Okay, so we're back. Oh my god! Ah! You guys came back to the perfect time until I die. That was just perfect. Oh, I need to watch another ad. Ah! This is my last time watching an ad for this run. Oh! Oh my god, bro! Did you see that guy just like pulling the leg of that little boy? Oh god, I think his name's Jake, the little boy's name that we're playing as right now. Ah! Oh my! What did I do wrong? Well, that's going to be the end of today's video. We've done it pretty good. So our high score was 50,000. And last time was 20,000. We done really good today. And yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!